name's Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick chocolate milk. It is so easy to make quick chocolate milk at home using just a few ingredients, and you don't need to buy that chocolate syrup that has all those artificial colorings and flavors and preservatives and that stuff that you really don't need at all. To get started, I like to use a cocktail shaker. If you don't have one, you could just mix it up in a regular glass. I'm going to add a little bit of ice. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and you can even use some agave nectar or honey instead, and then a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now I'm just going to add about a cup of milk, put my lid on, and give it a really good shake. I love making chocolate milk in a cocktail shaker because it makes it really rich and creamy, even if you're using non-fat milk. It even works if you're making quick chocolate milk with soy milk or almond milk or any of those fabulous milk alternatives out there. Once you've shaken it well, it is ready to serve. I'm just going to add a little ice to my serving glass. And there we go. Look how rich and creamy this quick chocolate milk is. And this was even using low-fat milk. This is Mariko showing you how to make quick chocolate milk. Enjoy.